Hey there, fellow freelancer. Welcome to this video where we're going to peek behind the curtain at the hidden time management system top freelancers use. You know the feeling, right? You're working hard, putting in the hours, maybe even more than 40 a week, but some days it feels like you're just treading water. Despite all the effort, the progress feels slow, inconsistent, maybe even chaotic. You see other freelancers seemingly cruising along, landing big clients, hitting deadlines effortlessly, and you wonder, what's their secret? Is it just raw talent? Are they just naturally better at staying focused? Or could there be something else? Here's the thing. Many remote freelancers make a critical mistake. They assume that simply tracking the hours they work is enough. You log into your time tracker, you hit start, you hit stop. But does that actually tell you if those hours were quality hours? Does it tell you if you were truly focused, or if half that time was lost to distractions you didn't even consciously notice? Maybe it's that quick email check that spirals into 20 minutes of inbox overwhelm. Or the little social media break that stretches into a long daydream. These aren't just minor interruptions, they are hidden flaws in your routine that can creep in unnoticed, making it incredibly hard to understand why change is needed, let alone how to make it. The truth is, the most successful remote freelancers aren't just putting in time, they're constantly optimizing the quality of that time. They understand that sustained productivity doesn't come from brute force or wishful thinking. It comes from a daily and weekly habit that provides constant feedback on their work patterns. Think of it like steering a sailboat on a winding river. You wouldn't just set your course and hope for the best, would you? You'd glance at your compass, feel the wind, adjust your sails, and tweak your course based on changing patterns. The most effective freelancers do this with their work lives. They have a system for regularly checking in on their habits and strategies. It's an investment, a little time each day or week that pays huge dividends. It allows them to identify patterns they didn't see before and pivot their strategies effectively. It's a powerful approach to self-evaluation. This isn't just random guesswork, it's a structured process. It involves looking back at your workday, not just to see what you did, but how you did it. It involves a weekly reflection to look for repeating patterns. Are distractions always popping up at a certain time? Are certain tasks consistently taking longer than you planned? It's about creating a feedback loop. You work, you review, and then you adjust. This process, when done correctly, transforms how you approach your day. It means you can refine your plan, maybe reorder your task list, adjust your work environment, or set small achievable goals. This approach is inspired by the power of habit and the impact of tiny changes repeated consistently. It turns self-evaluation into the engine that drives meaningful change in your remote work life. It's the difference between hoping for a better workday and actively steering towards one. Without this kind of consistent feedback and adjustment, you're essentially flying blind. You might be caught in cycles of distractions you don't even realize. You miss out on opportunities to enhance your work-life balance and keep productivity high. Imagine finally understanding exactly where your time is really going. Imagine spotting those hidden moments of high focus and low energy. Imagine knowing precisely why certain tasks drag on and others fly by. This isn't just about tracking time. It's about gaining clarity that empowers you to make impactful tweaks. This system helps you go beyond just logging hours. It helps you become aware of where your energy is going. This clarity is essential for allocating your time more effectively, which is essential if you're determined to thrive as a remote freelancer. You might be relying on instinct or just pushing forward repeating old habits. But that gut feeling approach often leads to misjudged priorities, delays, and that frustrating feeling of disconnect between effort and output. Without tracking and reviewing, you simply don't have accurate data. The successful freelancers, they have this data. They understand their unique patterns. They use this understanding to build a personalized time management blueprint. They don't use a one-size-fits-all method. They tailor it to their energy, their tasks, their environment. This hidden system is about understanding your workflow DNA. It's about recognizing your natural strengths and bottlenecks. It's about setting up a structure where every element of your day is nurtured and optimized. It's not just about working, it's about working effectively. It's about ensuring every minute counts. It's about transforming those chaotic, scattered workdays into a streamlined, efficient work life. Ready to discover this hidden system and apply it to your freelance work? Thank you for watching. If you're interested in diving deeper into this topic and learning the practical steps to implement this powerful system, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. And to get the complete roadmap and master these techniques for yourself, check out the link to the full course in the description. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like this video, share it with every freelancer you know, and subscribe for instant access to proven methods for efficient task management.